This event marks the official commencement of the new legal year at Nigeria's apex court. It is a time for legal business and sober introspection to address lingering challenges within the justice system. President of Nigerian Bar Association, Afomusigwe, used the occasion to raise concerns over avoidable delay in Supreme Court adjudications, citing the prolonged litigation over the Rivers State emergency rule.
Nigerians really wanted this honorable court to determine whether the president, in the exercise of the powers under Section 305 of the Constitution, can dismantle democratic structures in the state by suspending the governor, deputy governor, and members of the House of Assembly. If, for example, the court subsequently answered this question in the negative, of what benefit will it be to the people if the decision comes after the state of emergency has been left by a fraction of time?
Osigwe also decries the abuse of remand orders by some judges and magistrates, calling for urgent reforms.
Some judges and magistrates are increasingly becoming enablers of political oppression and suppression of dissenting views by remanding persons charged with alleged criminal defamation or cyber stalking under Section 24 of the Cybercrime Prohibition and Prevention Act 2015. Judges and magistrates increasingly deny bail when such charges of internet or online related offences are preferred against defendants despite the matters being ordinarily bailable.
The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, highlights the challenges of inadequate judicial funding at the state level, reigniting concerns over judicial autonomy. The Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, underscores the judiciary's crucial role in electoral dispute resolution.
The judiciary, especially at the subnational level, is often underfunded, which impacts its ability to function effectively. Inadequate funding leads to poor infrastructure, insufficient resources, and inadequate training for judicial staff and support staff.
Recently, the role of our judiciary in consolidating our democracy has aroused much public interest and discussions. It is a universal truism that the judiciary sustains the rule of law, which is the bedrock of our democracy. Over the years, the judiciary has increasingly been called upon to adjudicate on matters that strike at the heart of our democracy.
The highlight of the ceremony is the inauguration of 57 senior advocates of Nigeria, who now join the ranks of the country's most distinguished legal practitioners. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.